Meditation and Massage with Dogs with Michelle Trott, Wolfsong Myotherapy. This meditation is the counting the breath meditation. It's a useful meditation and mindfulness technique when you feel that you need that extra anchor to stop your mind from wandering to lots of different thoughts. We're going to start as usual finding a comfortable position. That may be lying, sitting, even walking. We're going to get a sense of our spine lengthening, the crown of our head reaching up, and just start to bring your attention to your breath and where in your body you feel that breath. You might get a sense of the air through your nostrils, the breathing in the upper chest, maybe the diaphragm area, or maybe even down in your abdomen. There's no need to try and change your breath, no need to try and slow it down at all. Just breathe naturally. Just be aware of where it is today. And then as you're breathing, just start to count your breaths. So as you breathe in, 1, as you breathe out, 2. And keep this going all the way up to 10. And then once you reach 10, just bring yourself back to 1 again. And the in-breath 1, out 2, in 3, and so on. And again, even though you're using the counting to keep an anchor, to keep your attention on the breath, you might find that your mind still wanders, and that's fine. Just spot it doing so and bring your attention back to the breath and the count. If you lose count, again, that's fine. Just bring yourself back to 1 again. This is all part of the process. There's no good or bad meditation. It's just an awareness. And then if you're feeling comfortable counting your breath, you might just want to count the out breath. So as you breathe in, then as you breathe out, that's 1. Breathe in, as you breathe out, that's 2. And do exactly the same thing up to 10. And then bring yourself back to 1 again. And if you're finding this quite comfortable and you don't feel you need the anchor, maybe just follow your breath. Follow the whole of the in-breath. Notice the pause and follow the whole of the out breath and notice the pause. And if at any time you find that your mind is wandering just that little bit too much, you can always bring yourself back to counting the breath in and out again. And the thing with meditation and mindfulness is finding these places at quiet times. But also then, can you have that gentle awareness, that gentle touch on your breath, even when there's distractions, even when there's other things going on? Can you bring your body into that sense of relaxation by that gentle following of the breath? Our breath tells us so much about ourselves. How relaxed we are at any one time. And we're going to start bringing this short meditation to an end. If you'd like to continue, just push pause on the video, or just start bringing yourself back into the room if you'd like to continue on with the massage section. So what I'm going to do here is massage down either side of Shayla's spine. Relaxed hand, just doing gentle circles with my fingers, making sure I'm not right on top of the spinous processes down the middle, which would be quite sensitive. And always checking in with Shayla's face to make sure nothing is unduly sore. So giving an image further off, you can do this a lot slower. I'm just trying to increase the circulation in the muscles and relax down the length of the spine. If you're not sure if this is appropriate for your dog, always check in with your vet. And you're always looking out for those tells that something might have been sensitive. So when Shayla looked at me, that's her telling me that was a sensitive spot. So for the purpose of this exercise, move away from that area. It's actually beneficial to relax further away sometimes. So with Tebow, because he's a smaller dog, I use my fingers and thumb. I added on my left hand just to ground him. Now Tebow wasn't fully settled, so I'm doing what's called a buy-in. I'm doing a technique that I know he likes and enjoys, and this is a technique I'll go through in more detail in a future video, but picking up around the neck. He is still licking his lips, but he does quite enjoy that. And they're just coming down. Often there's tension between the shoulder blades or lower down in the back. And yes, he's just shaken. So when a dog shakes mid-massage, they're often just resetting their bodies, often a good thing. And he's come back, so he wants me to continue. So again, I just continue with that massage down his spine. And when I find a bit that I can feel tension in, what I can do is slow down in that area. And he's licking me, so I'm just thinking it's slightly sensitive, so I just give him the heat of my hand just on that sensitive area.